I think these times has also thrown up many more forms of discrimination that actually were there already, but I think it's kind of brought it in sharp focus. Discrimination is a, theme, a thought, a malice of this society that has been something of great concern for a very long time, right from my soon after my college days. And I think I'm going to talk about that journey as to how have I engaged with the issue of discrimination. Why do I think that it's one of the biggest forms of attacks on human rights and social justice, and what is it that we can do as individuals? It's always easy to blame somebody or the other, the collective, the society, the government, the media, but each one of us is also complicit, I think, in perpetuating and normalizing discrimination. So I'm going to talk about that. So I want to thank Hyderabad FICCI Flow and Usha ji in particular for inviting me. I have to admit, my first answer was no, only because I thought I shouldn't be traveling. This is my first in-person interaction, conversation, and it was really your insistence, and thank you.
And I want to tell here, Nandita, this program is designed an year back, and in my year calendar, your name, without asking you, I have declared that I'm going to do a program with Nandita Das. So I insisted your manager that
I know, he told me, because I said, please, not this time, later. He told me, he says, no, Usha ji has insisted, it has to be you. And these are subjects of, like I said, of deep concern. So every time I talk about issues like this, I think it's also a reminder to me. It kind of reaffirms your own, commitment to these issues. Because when you're speaking to others, you're also speaking to your own self. And we all forget in our little worlds, in our little lives, we are so engrossed with our struggles and our problems that sometimes we forget what is our larger responsibility as human beings. Not because somebody is in the public domain or because somebody is in a position of power, but just as human beings, what is our duty, our responsibility, our sense of sensitivity, empathy to other fellow human beings. So I'm really looking forward to the conversation, and I hope we can maintain our social distancing well, and we should not take it casually at all. As we can see, the figures are really on a rise, and a country like ours, which is already poor and struggling in every area, it is really going to push us back. Many of us will still find a way to get hospital beds. It's a privilege to even know 10 people in society, but there are many others who do not have those contacts, who do not have the wherewithal to fight it. So I think those of us who are a little more privileged, we have to be even more responsible. Thank you.
Thank you.